Hello students, in this video we are going to solve our 4th B exercise of 4th chapter exponents. So question number first is express the following products as an exponent of single number. See, first part is 5 to the power 7 into 5 to the power 2. As we have learned in previous video that if base is same and index are different, so in multiply, so what we can write it as, we can write it as 5 to the power, that power we will add 7 plus 2, so 5 to the power, it will be equal to 7 8 9, so 5 to the power 9 will be our answer, or like this you can write 5 to the power 9. So same way, one more part is that 8th part. Here it is 3 upon 4 to the power 7 into 3 upon 4 to the power 20. So how you will do? See, in multiply, if base are same, so what we will do? Power we can add. So 3 upon 4 we will write and power we will add 7 plus 20. So it will be equal to 3 upon 4 to the power 27. This will be our answer. Come to question number second. It is question number second is simplify and express the result in exponential form. You have to simplify and 3 to the power 2 to the power 3. Now you know that a to the power m into n is equal to a to the power m into n. Simply you are multiplying. So here again what you will do? 3 to the power 2 whole power 3. So what you will write? 3 to the 2 3 the 6. So it will be equal to 3 to the power 6. Simple. With the help of this you can write. One more I am doing here, fourth part, that is minus 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 4, bracket to the power 4. So how we will do? You know that we can write it as 3 4 ja 12, minus 2 to the power 12 will be our answer. Means simply we will multiply these. In the same way, one more part is there, fifth one, 1 upon 10 to the power 6 whole bracket power 2. So how we will do? 6 to the 12. 1 upon 10 to the power 12 will be our answer. Like this you can solve. Now come to question number third. Express each of the following with a single exponent. So first part is 3 to the power 5 bracket power 2 into 3 to the power 4 bracket to the power 9. So you have to write a single exponential form of this one. So how you will write? You know that this is the same as we have done in question number 2. So what we were doing, 2 3 ja 6 we are writing. So 5 2 ja 10. 3 to the power 10 it will be, and into 3 to the power 9 4 ja 9 9 3 ja 27, 9 4 ja 36. So it will be equal to, now you know that base are same as in multiply, what we will do? That if base are same, the power we can add. So 3 to the power 10 plus 36 we will write here. So it will be equal to 3 to the power 46. This will be our answer. Now come to question number 4. Or one more part we can do here, third part, that is minus 7 to the power 2 to the power 5 into minus 7 to the power 4 to the power 2. So it will be equal to minus 7, same base, and power we will multiply the 5 to the 10 into here minus 7 and power will multiply 4 to the 8. So same bases are, base we will write as it is, and in multiply we know that power will get added. So 8 10 plus 8. So our answer will be minus 7 to the power 18. This will be our answer. Now come to question number 4. Simplify. Question number 4 is simplify, first part is 3 into 2 to the power 3 to the power 2 whole power 2. Now you can see here it is same as it was a into b to the power m. So what we can write it as a to the power m into b to the power m. So here you can see this will be equal to 3. Now you know that power is 2, so a to the power m, you know that here, so here 3 will be having power 2, so 3 to the power 2 you can write, and into 2 to the power 3 is already there, and one more power is that whole power is 2, so 2 you can write like this. So it will be equal to 3 to the power 2 into 2 to the power 3 to the 6. So it will be equal to simplify. So value we will find out here. So it will be equal to 3 3 ja 9 into 2 6 times 2. It will be equal to 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, or 2 2 ja 4 and 2 2 ja 4. Means 4 4 ja 16 and 16 4 ja 64. So our answer will be 64 into 9. 3 500. So our answer will be 576. This will be our answer. Same way you can do fifth part also, that is 21 upon 19 to the power 4 into 19 upon 7 to the power 4. So how you can do this one? The bases are different, so we can't add power. So here what you can do, see 21 and 7, 19 19 4 times it will come, means simply we can write 21 upon 19 4 times, 1 2 3 4 times we have written, and 19 again 4 times we can write, and into this into side 19 how many times again, 4 times, 1 2 3 4, and what is remaining, 7 4 times, 1 2 3 4. Now what you can do, this 4 19 cancel out with this 4 19. Now what is remaining here, 7 7 3 ja 21, again 7 3 ja 21, again 7 3 ja 21, again 7 3 ja 21. So it will be equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and nothing is other, no? So our answer will be 3 3 ja 9 into 3 3 ja 9, and 9 9 ja 81. So 81 will be our answer. Now come to question number 5. That is, question number 5 is simplify. So simplify, first part is 5 to the power 4 upon 5 to the power 3. Now we have learned all the laws related to exponents. So if in division same bases are, power will get subtracted. So same bases are, power we will subtract. So 4 minus 3. So it will be equal to, base will remain same only. So it will be 5 to the power 4 minus 3 is 1, means 5 to the power 1 means 5 only. One more part I am doing here, that is last part, fifth part. It is minus 3 to the power 10 upon minus 3 to the power 6. So what it will be, see, you can see bases are same, and in division power will get subtracted. So same base we will write, and power we will subtract, 10 minus 6. So 10 minus 6 is, it will be 4. Minus 3 to the power 4 will be our answer. Or we have to simplify. So final value we will find out here, because we have to simplify. So it will be equal to, see, negative number having even power, so value will be positive. So minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 we will do, it will be equal to 3 3 ja 9, 3 3 ja 9. So 9 9 ja 81. 81 will be our answer. Whenever it is mentioned in question simplify, you will find out the exact value. You can't write there in exponent form. Question number 6. Again it is simplify, that is first part 8 to the power 5 upon 8 to the power 7. Same question it is, only the difference is here m and power is mn, so n is greater. That case we discussed that if n is greater then power will be negative. So we can write here same base 8 and 5 minus 7 we will do. You know that greater number having negative sign, so our answer will be power will be negative only. 5 6 7 means 8 to the power minus 2. Now you know that negative power we can write it as 1 upon 8 to the power 2. That whenever the negative power is, if we are writing it in denominator, power will be, we will denote it positive power. Now question number 6 is, question number 6 first part is, it is 8 to the power 5 upon 8 to the power 5 upon 8 to the power 7. So we have to simplify it. So you know that base is same, so in division power will get subtracted. This is the same case, only the difference is that here m, that we have learned a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So this is the case when n is greater. So you can see that 7 is greater than 5. So what we will do, subtraction, that 5 minus 7 we will write. So you can see here it will be equal to 8 to the power, negative power will be minus 2. That minus 7 plus 5, it will be minus 2. So we can write it as 1 upon 8 to the power 2. That negative power, when we will write it in denominator, it will be positive. So it will be equal to 1 upon 8 is 64. So 1 upon 64 will be our answer. In the same way, the third part is (5 to the power 7 upon 5 to the power 10). So how we will solve? We will write base as it is and power we will subtract. In division power will get subtracted. So 5 to the power, it will be minus 10. That greater number having negative sign, so it will be minus 3. 10 minus 7 we will do, and we can write it as 1 upon 5 to the power 3. So it will be equal to 1 upon 5 5 ja 25 and 25 5 ja 125. So this will be our answer. So come to question number 7. It is simplify. Same, that second part I am doing here, other you can try. That 7 upon 8 to the power 20 divided by 7 upon 8 to the power 18. So how you will solve? See, it is the same like it is, and this one is. What is the difference? That way of writing is little different. That here we have written in denominator, here it is written the division sign and then it is mentioned. Mean it is same 7 upon 8 to the power 20 upon 7 upon 8 to the power 18. Same it is. So what we will do? Base is same. So we will write base 7 upon 8 and power we will subtract 20 minus 18. So it will be equal to 7 upon 8 to the power 20 minus 18 is 2. So 7 7 ja 49 upon 8 8 ja 64. So this will be our answer. In this manner you can do the remaining questions of exercise 4th B. Thank you.